How to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing issue on Android. So if you want to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing issue on Android, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now you just need to go with your WhatsApp. Simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp, and here go with app info. Under app info, make sure that you've turned on the notifications. Tap on notifications and then turn on the notifications, and you need to go with permissions, and under permissions make sure that you've allowed the permissions like phone, photos and videos, SMS, microphone, location and everything. Make sure that you've allowed the notifications or app permissions, and then go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store. So if you're using Android, go with your Play Store and then go with search, and under search you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you search, now here if you have any updates instead of that open option, then you can simply go with update and update your WhatsApp application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then tap on uninstall and uninstall the application. Once you uninstall, you need to again go and install the application, and you can log into your account and your problem might be fixed. And after doing all of that, you can simply press and hold on to your power button, and then here you will get a restart option. Tap on restart, restart your device, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp keep crashing issue on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.